What? Doing what you're doing right there. You got guys back there waiting on y'all. Hit us, you're fucking riding them for a wheelie up here. I'm just trying to go home and he's on the fucking wheelie. Yeah, stop.
Well, you're starting the problem, my guy.
What do you mean? You want me to call the fucking car?
I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight.
I'm starting trouble when you're riding a fucking wheelie down the road. And that's my problem.
Yeah.
That's my problem.
Because I'm a professional at this shit.
You're a professional.
I'm a
so
professional.
you take the road.
Yes, I'm a professional.
Okay, buddy.
Get in your car and go the fuck on. We ain't bothering you. We ain't bothering you.
You weren't bothering me because you're blocking the fucking road.
At least we were moving.
Me?
Go the fuck home.
Okay. Okay, buddy. That's cool. Whenever you think
It
you're
is
fucking
cool.
bad enough,
Go
do
home.
something. Fucking do something.
Go home.
Get back.
I ain't gonna hit nobody. I'm not into that. I just wanted to go home.
You need to get in your fucking car.
Go home. Go home.
Is you just gonna be riding through the road like
Go
that?
home.
Look who's blocking traffic now.
Yeah, right.
home.
Defend whatever you want to defend.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, good. Big man.
Go home.
I'm going home.
Go.
Okay.
Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Go home. Go, motherfucker.
What in cousin fucking tarnation, Alabama Betty Crocker, Miss fucking Betty White shit is this? Holy shit.
Is it possible that this guy is a creeper and he's got some actual people in the trunk of this car? See if I can get along the other side of this guy, see what he's got going on this side. Yeah, there you go. Alright, well, I think I've seen enough.
His fucking behind bumper protector stuff is like hanging loose. Look at that shit. What is he doing? Oh. Yo! Yo! Brother didn't see me, man. Bro, he didn't. Yo, that was fucking dangerous. Alles goed, ja, nee, maar niet uit. Rustig houden. Ja, joh.